for a jana bedru. What a movie never ninka. What a movie never ninka. Movie never can ask my can I bedru. Your friend case on a mission. Your friend a case on a mission. Me, your friend Zuri. Bishop Brofo. Your friend Zola. Beha Brofo. And crop movie na eba power gun and ye. Mina you are dropping in 15 June, Thursday, about 3. What have you? Why I will be you comedy.
Hello, Ghana for your friend or him make you do papa be. One time play my mom and me. Abusia for so far, and cross series that are best. Any case on a mission. Nyankopon ya doma. Ya wade ye di enemy. Ya wade ye 15th June. Ye dropping in live. Area 3:00 p.m. Abusia for one shebia. Why ho? Se metie kire na me hwese me ba. One time Playman asane brofo gu ho. Eni kakeke. Emu obi hwe me kan kire wo. One kasa penny say never be hwe de be koso. Area 3 p.m. Thursday 15th June. Ya da wase ya krawo.
Watch out. Be you coming to the world. Catch on a mission.
Amari, seize every child around 6 to 20. Train them to become warriors and let them be ready in the next decade.
This king has become very autocratic. He's not ready to listen to anyone.
I saw a mighty oak tree falling in the presence of everyone. And that is what happens to a king who pays no attention to advice.
Enough with the blame games, Anika.
It's like a kingdom of Barika. It's like a kingdom of Barika. I stand to question you for our right, Kentamba. You should have asked for our consent first before involving us in this.
Glory be to the gods that we have come this far. I want you all to support me. No fight, no argument, and no challenging.
The downfall of a man begins with pride. Are you trying to start something you cannot finish? Don't be stupid.
Sir, we are not going anywhere.
Tender, how dare you question my command? Zuri, me pesa me ya de measure me nkwan. You know why you are going to impossible. Who are you and what are you doing here?
Zuri, I told you that you are not going to make it.
Greatly sad. If you don't appear to me right now, then you are powerless.
I swear to the gods from the 7th mountain, if anything happens to Imbali, my sister, I will send you to your unending sleep.
Sorry, say yeah. How do I convince the world that I, Kentamba, have no idea about the case mission on the mystery land?